Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and I am going to show you how to make this sweet card with the Sending Smiles bundle. Here is my birthday Sending Smiles card. I used Melon Mambo and the polka dotted basics vellum. Here's the Sending Smiles bundle that has images, dies to cut out the images, this lovely sending die, and label dies to cut out all the sentiments. I've used the scalloped contours dies, the third largest scalloped rectangle, and the designer tags dies for this piece right here. I have also stamped in Old Olive a whole bunch of leaves for my flowers and some flowers. I'm just gonna stamp the centers of the flowers. So now I'm just going to ink up birthday and stamp that on the tag. And now wishes and stamp that on the tag. Then I will add the white embossing powder. Now I'm just gonna put some adhesive only behind where it will be hidden on the vellum, and then add this piece down. Last but not least, I will add these lovely glossy dots. And there is my birthday Sending Smiles card. Get this card kit for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order or order the bundle using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Sending Smiles kit, and I will send it right out to you.